Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G Play from 2023 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on or from this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select accounts. Choose the account that you want to remove and select remove account. If you truly want to do it, select remove account, then provide your screen lock pattern or a fingerprint. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed. And then whenever you want to add Google account, just select passwords and accounts again, click on add account, choose Google, and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, and click on next. Now it's time to enter the password. Just let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, click on next. Now mark if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid. Tap on next then. Here you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also privacy policy. Tap on I agree if you do. Accept then. And that's it. As you can see, the account is added. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.